Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Ron Joshua Manimtim, No.1 in Calabarzon in the December 2018 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Ron.
Ah. Which of the following is considered as the second line of defense in crime fighting? Una, crime prevention, proactive measures, crime suppression, crime investigation. Yan. Crime prevention, proactive measures, crime suppression, crime investigation. You may now pick an answer, A, B, C, or D. Tingnan ko lang yung oras. Okay. Ano yung oras? Okay. 8:30 sa ako. Break pala tayo. Pagka number 30, magbe-break tayo. What is the second line? Okay. Ayan, tatatlo pa lang. So, alin dito ang second line of defense? Ang first line, ka. Ito ang first line. Ito ang first line, ha? Okay. So, kung hindi na-prevent, ano sunod na gagawin? I-susuppress. Okay? Pipigilan pa rin. Yan. Letter C. Ito yung sagot dyan. Bakit hindi A? Ito yung pinakauna. Pag naman sinabi natin proactive, it refers to yung mga activities din na ginagawa sa letter A. So, hindi talaga din letter B. Ano sunod mong gagawin is to suppress. Halimbawa, na-commit na ang crime, ang gagawin mo, susuppress mo or huhulihin mo yung criminal. So, ganun yung nangyayari dito. Yun yung pinaka-second line of defense natin. Tapos, halimbawa, kung makatakas, hindi makita, or hindi kilala yung victim, or I mean yung suspect, kung hindi na-suppress, ang sunod ng gagawin ay namang investigation. So, kung titingnan natin, ito yung una, ang ginagawa natin, to prevent crime, prevent. Kapag hindi na-prevent, isusuppress, syempre, kung hindi pa rin sapat yung suppression, yung control measures, investigate, hahanapin yung criminal. So, sagot dito sa number 26 is letter C. Ayan o, suppress, to restrain. Okay. Ayan. 27. The criminal justice model is based on the idea that the most important function of the CJS is the protection of the public and the repression of criminal conduct. Ayan. It is based on the idea that the most important function of the CJS is the protection of the public and the repression of criminal conduct. Ano ito? Crime prevention, crime control, law and order, ayan, due process. You may now choose your answers. Ayan, C, B, go. Yung iba, go. Sagot din kayo. Ayan, B. Ayan, okay. B, C. A. Okay. Ilan bang participants ngayon? 32 pala tayo. Sagot kayo. Okay. D. Ayan. Anong sagot? Parang nabanggit ko kanina. Anong ginagawa? Ito yung isang clue. Ayan, pinoprotect ang public. Yung may pinakita ko kanina ng picture. Ayan, isa to sa purposes ng crime control, diba? So, letter B to. Okay. Ayan. So, paano nakokontrol ang crime? Diba? Itatago or i-isolate, i-restrain ang criminal in order to protect the public. Ayan. So, ang sagot dito is letter B. Okay. Tandaan niyo yung kanina yung picture. I mean, yung nasa, nasa slide. So, crime control yan. The police seek to prevent crimes by being present in places where crimes might be committed. Ayan, inaabangan. Okay? By alerting the citizens to refrain from practices that make them or their property vulnerable. It seeks to prevent crimes by being present in places where crimes might be committed. By alerting the citizens to refrain from practices that make them or their property vulnerable. Ayan, may sagot na. Choose the answer pala. Choose the answer. Okay. Ayan, letter. Ayan, B. B, C, B, C, C. Okay. Ah, okay. May sasagot pa ba? Sagot kayo, guys. Huwag kayo mahiya. Okay. Oh. So, to prevent crimes, meron tayo dapat babawasang element. Diga. Di ba yung, ano nga yung elements ng crime sa crimsoc? Diga, isa dun sa elements ng crime sa crimsoc ay aring letter C, opportunity. So, in order to prevent crimes, dapat yung opportunity ay ma-deny. Ayan. So, ang sagot dito is letter C. Okay. Ayan. Kung ka nasa tama kang lugar, tamang pwesto, maunahan mo yung criminal, hindi niya gagawin yung crime na gusto niyang gawin. So, yung opportunity is eliminated. It is denied. And hence, it may prevent crimes from happening. O, ang sagot dito is letter C. Yan. Tama. Marami nakatama. Yan, CC. 29. It is a process directed to a person requiring him to attend and to testify or to bring him any books or documents under his control at the trial of an action. Pinapapunta ang tao para mag-attend at mag-testify sa court. Dala-dala yung mga libro na maaaring gamitin din niya during his testimony. Ayan. Is it subpoena ad testificandum, subpoena ducis tecum, or warrant of arrest? Ayan. May lang. Tignan ko sagot niyo. Anong oras to? You may now choose your answer, guys. Kita ba? Ayan. Ang sagot, wait lang, oras. Okay, so ang mga naging sagot ay A, B, A, B, B. Okay, B, C. Ang sagot ay letter A to. Okay, subpoena. Ayan. Codal kasi din itong tanong dito is codal. Nasa ano to? Ayan. It's a process directed a person requiring him to testify and to attend. Okay, yan. Kita ba yun nasa screen? Yan. Codal yan eh, kaya... Okay. Okay. So, yan. Pagka ad testificandum, diga, ay, yun, kaya siya pinapapunta for purposes of testifying in court. Tapos, ano yun naman, pagka sa pina ducis tecum, may dadalhin yung mga documents or books. Ayun. Kaso dito, this is general aspect to. So, sagot dito ay subpoena. Ayan. Ayan, diga. Ayan. Okay. Requiring him to attend and testify. Okay. At the hearing. Okay. Pagka, pag ducis tecum, dala-dala to. Yun. Yan. Okay. Number 30, before we take a break. The person who is being implicated to the commission of a crime and subject of an investigation. Ayan. Subject of an investigation, ha? Ikaw may gawa. Anong tawag sa iyo? Convict, accused, respondent, or suspect. Yan. Go. You may choose the answer. Yan. D. Okay. It is letter D. Yan. Tama. Suspect. So, under ka pa dito ng law enforcement. Yan. Under ka ng custodial investigation. Yung pagka tinutukoy ay array. Kailan ka nagiging respondent? When you are under preliminary investigation. Under ka ng prosecution. Accused when the information is filed in court at saka na-arraign ka na. You have been arraigned by the court. Yun. So, when you say arraignment, it is where the person will be read of the charges against him, of the nature and the nature of the offenses daw na kinumit niya. Tapos, he will answer or he will be asked kung guilty siya or not guilty. And syempre, magbibigay siya ng answer doon. Guilty ba siya or not guilty? Yan. Magiging accused siya after arraignment. Yun. Tapos ang sabi niya, not guilty. And syempre, nasa court, under siya ng court. Jurisdiction. Tapos, convict when, syempre, meron ng decision and kapag ka convicted ka na by the court. So, you will undergo corrections na. Yan. Okay, so yan. Letter D is the correct answer, suspect. So guys, let's take a break.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!